Hey guys, so I decided to make Flexi Bear from the 3D printer, and he came out really neat. His head moves back and forth. I have a little bit of black on it from the printer. And his arms move back and forth. It's really cute, really cool. His head's a little hard to move, but not too much. And I believe they had a video of him where you can put your phone on him and he could be a stand for a phone. Now it's probably without your case on it. You can do it. And he can have your phone stand up. It's really cute. And he can sit up. He can look at you. You can do lots of cool stuff. He's really cute. Flexi Bear, and you can paint him and make him look whatever you want him to look like. And these are the little slits for your phone. It's pretty cool. I like him. He's cute. Alright guys, well, if you're interested in him, let me know. Thank you. Bye.